What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful EQE 350 Plus that we have right in front of us here. Now this is the AMG line, therefore as you can see the bumper is super aggressive. Now before we take a look at the details, let's take a walk around to show you how this beautiful piece of art actually looks like. Now this is a Mercedes EQE 350 Plus. Amazing, man. So let's go for a walk around to show you guys how this car looks. So let's start off with the front lights. These lights are LED lights, of course, but as you can see they are digital lights, so it's beautifully designed in that way. Now we will turn on the lights to show you guys how it actually looks, but in the meantime check out the front grille. I love how the grille looks like with all these Mercedes-Benz stars all over the place, together with this glass Mercedes-Benz logo, because there's a sensor hidden right on the inside there. Now 360 camera is located right here, number plate goes there, you get your Mercedes-Benz blacked out badge at the top right here, you get your aggressive looking front bumper on the left and on the right. Now let's take a look. There's an opening right there for air to flow through. Amazing. You got some chrome going all over the place. For the front, you got this cooling for the air to go through aerodynamically, also to cool down the battery as well. So that's for that. Amazing look. Now check out the front hood. They also have this aggressive looking bulging lines on the front hood, so wherever you stand you have that sort of like aggressive appeal towards the car. Amazing, right? So let's move down to the wheels. The wheels are fantastic looking, very clean, because as you can see there's like a cover here, right? So not much dirt is going to go in visibly for your eyes to see. But take a look at the brakes. These are solid disc brakes hidden on the inside. Beautiful tires, Goodyear tires actually. And the tire size, let's locate it. Where would the tire size actually be? So yeah, there we go, 255 45 R20. That's the tire size that they're using for this. These are Eagle F1 tires, Goodyear. Awesome. Now you get your windshield washer, should be here where you can load the water in. You got your EQE badging over here, chrome lining all over the car. Now side mirrors, amazing looking. Turn indicators are here, 360 camera is here. You also get blind spot assist located here. The side steps are available there as well. Check out the handles, they light up, right? Cool, Mercedes-Benz wording. Let's open up. Beautiful looking. Now I personally love the interior of this. Why? The red stitching, number one. Number two, the two-tone. This kind of two-tone stuff makes me feel very nice, because I mean to say, why would you not have two-tone in the car, right? So it's something cool to look at. Now we'll get to the inside shortly, but yes, door handles, seat adjustments, memory seats, heated ventilated seats. Burmester sound system is right here, awesome. You also get speaker right here, awesome. And window adjustments, put your hand in to close the door, compartment storage. Mercedes-Benz wording at the side plates, AMG carpet right there because it's the AMG line. Check out the seats, man. Futuristic design, how it hugs you very nicely. You got this kind of like perforated seats happening right here. Now let's move the seats slightly back, because I believe someone sat in a bit too to front. But yeah, I think that's good enough. Check out the dashboard. This beautiful finish that we have with all these Mercedes-Benz studs, stars, or however you want to call it, but you can actually feel them, you know. That's beautiful about this. Check it out, I'm sitting right in the passenger seat. Amazing. From this side as well, you can take a look. Comfortably sitting. I can still move forward if I wish to. And check this out. This looks like a aeroplane's engine, you know. I love this, man. This design finish is super awesome. Now the screen is angling towards the driver a little bit, or maybe is it the center, or is it just me? But yeah, you got two Type-C charging place right there. You got your wireless charging for your phone right there. You got your cup holders right here. Amazing look. Push that, closes. Storage compartment here. Press that. Two Type-Cs down here. You got additional storage down here. Fantastic. This finishing texture is actually quite cool. Nice. There's a texture here if you guys can see it. I like this. So hazard light is over there, start engine stop button is over there, frameless mirrors are here, opening up of the glass roof that we have right on top. Super huge, right? I love this, man. Looks good. So let's get down. Let's move to the rear. So let's touch the doors, open back up. Now once we have opened that already, check out the rear doors. You got your two-tone red stitching again. You got your door handles right here, Burmester sound system right here. Put your hand in, close the door, window, glove, I mean not glove, but storage compartment over here. Now we have not checked out the glove compartment at the front just yet, but how does that look like, right? Check it out. Storage compartment. One more thing, check out the storage compartment here. Damn huge. You got another Type-C charging, two of them down there. Additional band for you to, like, you know, hook something under so it doesn't roll anywhere. Damn cool. Damn cool. So let's head on right in. Got the AMG wording at the carpet, super cool. Place to keep some stuff behind the seats. Electronic stuff happening right here for temperature. You got your fan adjustment right there. Down here should be Type-C. There we go, Ben. Amazing. A lot of charging places here in the car. Sitting at the rear passenger seat, spacious indeed. Check this out from here. A lot of legroom, so much of legroom. Spacious. And your seat belts are in black. Check out the roof, man. Damn, what's going on? What's going on, guys? It looks huge indeed. Now let's move to the center that we have right here. This is me sitting right comfortably in the center. Looks very nice indeed. And yeah, I'm going to be moving to the right side here of the driver's seat, and you notice it's also comfortable as well. Storage compartment. Amazing room space that we have. Check out the center, man. Beautiful. I love that wooden finish for the dashboard, you know. Looks very nice. Now, opening up the doors. Let's open that up. Let's get right down. Now I can choose to step here if I wish to get down comfortably. And let's take a look at the rear tires. Now these are Goodyear tires once again. Amazing wheel design. Mercedes-Benz logo right here. And also got some AMG badging on the wheel. So tire size is 255/45 R20. Amazing wheels that we have for this. Check out the doors. Check out the interior. Space is awesome. Awesome indeed. Now let's move to the rear of the car. Let's check out the rear first before we open up the boot. Now these lights are fantastic. How they move from left to right. It's beautiful. Got a black roof with the roof opening up like that. Super cool. You got the EQE 350 plus word right there. You got these aggressive looking bumpers for the rear. Chrome lining from left to right. Over there as well. So let's move this. Cool, man. So the boot space is huge enough. You can fold down the rear seats if you wish to. You got some charging happening over there to the left. Place to hook on something in case you don't want it to fall off or roll anywhere. Net right there. Push this, open up, storage compartment down here. Warning triangle over there, amazing. This shade you can actually pull to cover if you wish to, so that people don't see what's happening at the glass down. I can just cover that back. Let's fold down the rear seats for you guys to have a look at how much space this car actually has. So this is the rear seats that we have open already. Now let's move that down so you guys can actually have a proper view over what you guys are actually looking at. So let's move that down as well. Check it out. Amazing space, guys. Damn, there's so much of space going on right here. Amazing space and storage, guys. Super huge. Check it out from here. Amazing glass roof. Amazing room. Such a big car, man. So let's move on to the driver's side. Let's pull that. Oops. There we go. I was about to close in when I actually opened that, but yeah, never mind. These are the seats. Let's move them a little bit down because they're a bit too high up for me. And let's move that. So check that out. Beautiful design on the inside, right? So let's move it a bit down once more. Adjusting from here. So let's start off with the doors. We got the unlock, we got the lock with the door handle. We got a seat adjustment right here, headrest, backrest. Memory seats, 3 heated ventilated seats. Mirror adjustments, child lock for the mirrors, the windows. And the mirror adjustments are here for the side mirrors, but these are window adjustments. Boot opening, closing. You got your storage compartment here, Burmester speaker here and up here. So amazing. So let's have a sit on the inside. Before that, check out the sport pedals. Amazing. They got the Mercedes-Benz wording right here at the side. Cool, man. Beautiful. So the steering wheel, let's push it a little bit back. Damn. I love this brown finish that's happening once again. It feels very luxurious. Let's fall down the... Check that out. Keep some stuff over here. Same thing. You can do as well. So these AMG line steering wheel, so your steering is as a flat bottom. These control that screen over there. These ones are like the answering call, rejecting the call and whatnot. Negative shift, positive shift. These ones control that screen. You got your cruise control, your limit, and also the distance between you and the front car. You also get your turn indicators together with your wipers as well happening right here. And that one would be for your sprinkler as well. Your start stop button is right here as well. And also you can take a look at the gear knob, drive, reverse, P. So super fun, super awesome. So we can turn it back on, we can skip. Check out the screen, man, dude. Super huge, right? It's super nice and awesome. So we have this handbrake that's located right here. Your light adjustment should be over here. Now we will turn that on shortly to show you guys how it actually looks. But in the meantime, just enjoy the view of what you guys are actually seeing on the inside right here. So let's take a look at myself to show you guys how I'm actually sitting in the car, and it's super comfortable. Very spacious indeed. But check out from this angle, man. It looks really good. Now look at the rear. The seats are not put up just yet, but check out the space, man, dude. Amazing. Yeah, check this out. Cool, eh? So let's now turn on. Oh, before that, check out the Mercedes stars on the floor. They are shooting up from this door. So turn to the left, turn on some lights. Let's show you guys how it actually looks now. Check out how beautiful the digital lights actually look like, guys. Check this out. This looks absolutely stunning. So those stripes that you have there, the whole LED strip that you have from left to right. Check that out, man, dude. This looks really beautiful. And two LEDs that we have right there. The main one goes all the way there. We've got some blue finishes here and there. So it looks really sporty. Very sporty indeed. So amazing looking car, guys. This looks absolutely stunning. So I love how this looks. You guys got to be here to see this for yourself. But let's take a look at the rear. Love how the lights light up over there as well. It's kind of cool. Check out the rear of this. Let's close the boot. Check out the rear, man. Damn. Connects from left to right. Check that out, dude. The light just lights up. I like how it goes like this wavy stuff, and then there's a straight line all the way from one side to the other, man. Looks really cool, man. Looks really cool. I love it. So this should be your charging. So AC and DC. So cool, man. Amazing. To close it back, I believe. Amazing. So let's turn on the signal, right? Hazard lights. Check out how it looks like. Turn indicators are also on the mirrors. You get them on the left side of the LED on the top. It just goes away, but the two white lights still remain. Beautiful, right? It's beautiful, man. Looks very elegant. At the same time, you can clearly see it's a very aggressive looking car. Some more it's electric, right? So the car will fly and shoot quite fast. So turn indicators are on the left side right here. Hazard light, sorry, brake reverse lights are there. So brake lights are going to be located on the inside right here, together with over here as well, on left and right. So I believe. Cool, man. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage PJ, where you will be able to locate this beautiful piece of art. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.